First question. The doctor heard a sound coming from above 3 times. What was it? Answer. The hissing sound of a snake was heard by the doctor 3 times coming from above, but he thought it was the sound of rats. Second question. Why did the doctor sit like a stone? Answer. The doctor sat like a stone because the snake was very close to his face. He was in great fear that if he made any movement, the snake would bite him. Third question. What made the doctor forget his fears and have a sense of relief? Answer. He realized that there was no medicine with him for the snake's bite. He felt pity on himself about the danger. Those thoughts made the doctor forget his fears and a sense of relief. Fourth question. Did the snake admire its beauty? Yes or no? Pick the lines from the passage in support of your answer. Answer. Yes, it did. The following sentences support that the snake admired its beauty looking into the mirror. A. From there, it crept onto the table and moved towards the mirror. B. Perhaps it wanted to enjoy its reflection at closer quarters.
Fifth question. Why did the doctor want to marry a woman doctor? What kind of woman doctor would he like to marry? Answer. The doctor wanted to marry a woman doctor because he thought of getting out of his financial troubles by marrying a rich woman doctor. He also wished to marry a fat woman and she should not be able to run after him to catch if he made any silly mistake. Sixth question. What did the doctor think about the snake when it looked into the mirror? The doctor had an imaginary thought that if the snake was male or female and admiring its beauty on looking into the mirror about how to grow a mustache or wearing a vermilion spot on its forehead. Seventh question. Why did the doctor run to his friend's house? Did the snake want to harm the doctor? Why or why not? Answer. The doctor feared a lot and so he ran to his friend's house. The snake did not want to harm the doctor. It was attracted to see itself into the mirror and it did not even notice or chase the doctor. Here is a list of sentences from the story. Pick the sentences that tell you that the doctor was afraid of the snake. First one, I don't tremble, I don't cry out. Right. Second one, I sat there holding my breath. Right. Fourth one, holding my breath, I got up from the chair. Right. Fifth one, I leapt into the yard and ran for all I was worth. Right. Vocabulary. Pick the correct meaning of the words underlined below. First one, the house was not electrified. Option A, there was no electricity in the house. Second one, the earnings were meager. Option B, very small. Third one, I also possessed one solitary black cat. Option A, single. Fourth one, I made another earth-shaking decision. Option C, important. Fifth one, The room was surrounded by darkness. Option C, encircled. Sixth one, some thief had removed my most of my things. Option C, stolen. Read the following sentences from the text and notice the underlined word. Suddenly there came a dull thud as if a rubber tube had fallen to the ground. Thud means a low dull sound. Here is a list of words related to sounds. Exercises from the examination point of view. Part B of paper 1. Edit the following passage correcting the underlined parts. Editing on articles. Has the snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? The full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. A question came from an homeopath. A topic came up when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as a doctor continued with a tale. Answers. Answer A. A. Answer B. A. Answer C. B. Answer D. D. Answer E. D. The same passage may be given on tenses or verb forms also. Look at the example. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fall silent. The question comes from the homeopath. The topic comes up when we are discussing snakes. We listen attentively as the doctor continued with the tale. Answers. Option A, coiled. Option B, fell. Option C, came. Option D, came. Option E, were discussing. The same passage may be given on prepositions also. Find out the prepositions where these are used in the right way. Has a snake ever coiled itself round any part of on your body? A full-blooded cobra? All of us fell silent. The question came in the homeopath. The topic came out when we were discussing snakes. We listened attentively as the doctor continued at the tale. Answers. Option A, off. Option B, off. Option C, from. Option D, up. Option E, with. Now, look at the paragraph from the textbook. You can check the answers whether those are given articles, tenses, or prepositions, or punctuation, or capitalization, etc.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. Click the bell icon to get more notifications. Keep watching.